Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional logic for Elementor Pro forms. This feature allows you to show or hide form fields based on what users select, creating smarter, more dynamic forms that adapt to your visitors' needs. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Once you're inside, take a look at the left-hand menu where you'll see various options for managing your site. From there, click on Pages, then select All Pages. This will bring up a complete list of all the pages you've created on your WordPress site. Now, scroll through your pages and look for the specific page where you want to add or edit your form. Once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This launches the Elementor Visual Editor, giving you full control over your page's design and functionality. Inside the Elementor Editor, you'll want to add a form widget to your page. On the left panel, you'll see a search bar. Type form into this search box, and the form widget should appear in the results. However, here's something important to note. If you're using the free version of Elementor, you won't have access to the advanced form features. You'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro in order to edit forms and access conditional logic functionality. This upgrade unlocks powerful features that make your forms interactive and user-friendly. Once you have Elementor Pro activated, click on the form widget to add it to your page. With the form now in place, click on it to open the editing panel on the left. Here, you'll see all your form fields listed. To set up conditional logic, select the specific field you want to apply conditions to. Look for the Advanced tab in the field settings, then scroll down until you find the conditional logic option. Toggle this on to activate it. Now you can define your conditions. For example, you might want a field to appear only if someone selects a specific option from a previous drop-down menu. Set your condition by choosing which field triggers the logic, what value it needs to have, and whether your current field should show or hide based on that. You can add multiple conditions and choose whether all conditions must be met or just one. After configuring your conditional logic, click Update to save your changes. Your form is now smart and responsive, adapting to user input in real time. This creates a cleaner, more personalized experience for your visitors while helping you collect exactly the information you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.